What's up, guys? It's Micheal the Go Animator, and today we're going to look at Blue Sky's Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs. So, these toys were from McDonald's and they were released back in 2009. So now this is the Australian release because they have a green leaf. All these 8 toys do have one. So the reason why they have a green leaf were different compared to the USA is due to regional marketing strategies. So that's the reason why. So anyways, we're gonna open them up and take a closer look at them. Alright, so first toy we're gonna look at is Manny the woolly mammoth. So here is the packaging. And you can see the instructions on how the toy works. So let's open him up. Alright, so here's Manny. He's very huge for a Happy Meal toy, and very accurate to the movie. So this gimmick, there's a little lever. If you swing it, his head moves left to right, and you can see a little green leaf. So if you rub it, according to the packaging, you can see a picture of Ellie. So, not sure so, nice. He's very, very nice. So, let's move on to the next toy. Next, we have Diego, the saber-toothed tiger. So, let's open him up. Alright, so there's Diego. Very cool looking character. So what you do, you push down his legs. So if you push him, he jumps. Alright, let's do it one more time. Cool. So he also came with a little leaf on his body. So if you use, I forgot, it's some sort of, it's like a color changing. Well, not literally. So according to the packaging, if you rub it, it reveals a picture of Manny. I'm not sure if you can come on and focus. Yep. So I think he's my favorite character from the movie. So there is Diego. Coming up next, we have Sid the Sloth. So here is Sid, and came with a 3 little eggies. So there's a button on the back. So if you press it, it moves left and right. So what you do, take the eggs, and if you push the button, he drops them. Very simple. So let's do it one more time. So also there's a leaf on the eggs, so you can see. I'm not sure if you can see. You can see a picture of one of the baby dinos, and if you rub it, I don't know if you can see it. But you can. So these toys are very nice. So there's Sid the Sloth. The next character we have is Scrat. So let's take him out of the package. Alright, let's do a little. So there is Scrat. Looking very. Doesn't he look cute? So it came with the acorn. So so it's spring loaded. So you put it onto his belly, and there's a button. So you push it. It launches. Here we go. Here we go. Let's test it. Neat. So there's also a little green leaf. So I understand I think I know how you do it right now. So you rub it, and it reveals a character. So you can see a picture of Scratte. So very nice. So let's do it one more time. Lock it in, and launch. Nice, sweet. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the introduced characters. So, we have Buck, the one-eyed weasel. So, let's see what he does. Alright, so here is Buck. So he has some articulation. You can move his head left and right. His arms do move. You give him a different pose. And his legs do move a little bit. So there's a leaf. So if you rub it, it reveals his sword. Very nice. Nice figure. These just gonna look cool for display on your shelves. Coming up next is Momma Dino. Let's open her up. So here's Momma Dino. She looks tall, so let's compare her with Manny. So you can see she's quite taller. So for Mama, so what you do with Momma Dino? So you can see if you push down her head. So Momma Dino is calm. If you push her head, now she looks angry. That's what it does. And her legs do move. Very looks nice for display. And her tail does move. Well, kinda, a little bit. And for the leaf, you rub it. It reveals a picture of Sid, the sloth. Not sure if you can see it though. Focus. You could see a little bit. So, very nice. So that's the gimmick. Up next we have Rudy. So let's open him up and take a closer look at him. Alright, so there is Rudy. Let me take out that plastic out of it. So Rudy is a baryonyx. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. So his legs do move. And he stands quite well. And his tail does move a little bit. So if you pull his arms down, watch his mouth. Rawr. He chomps. Very scary looking. If you rub the leaf, you can see a little leaf, of course, and it reveals a little picture of Buck. Very nice little toy. And rounding up the set, we have Scratte. I think that's how you pronounce her name. So let's open her up. So here she is. You can she has some rotation with the legs, and she stands quite well. Oh, kinda. Yep, there you go. So head doesn't she look lovely? So you can see there's an acorn on her tail. If you push it, it's spring-loaded. Very detailed. And there's a leaf on her tail. If you rub it, it reveals 3 little hearts. That's cute. So there's Scratte. So overall, this is a very fun set, and I absolutely like Ice Age. It's a very cool movie, and I gotta say that the characters are very accurate to the movie, and I like how they turned out. And so, who's your favorite character from Ice Age? Let me know in the comments below. So, also, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because I'm almost up to 600 subscribers, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content, and comment what you'd like to see next. So my name is Mitchell the Go Anywhere, and I'll see you all next time.